What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Man, I'm doing all right, man. Myself, I'm doing all right. Thank you for asking. Thank you very much for asking, y'all. All right, man. All right, man. So, I've been walking, as I was walking down the streets, man, I just came across some info, man. Holy 10 finally addresses the backlash with Winky D, you know? And, man, I mean, Holy 10, man, of course, I want to hear what you have to say about the whole Winky D situation. But I just feel, man, like my own 2 cents, man, I just feel like you need someone like a publicist or something, man. You need somebody who you can consult before you release public statements. You know, because some of the things we just be saying in public, man, I mean, no wonder why the backlash, man. No wonder why they come back to haunt you, man. You know what I mean? I mean, you really need to watch your words before you say something, man. Especially when talking about big artists like the Gaffer, the Winky D, you know, the GOAT of Zim Dancehall, you know what I mean? But anyway, man, that's just what I think, man. That's just what I think. I mean, basing from all the interviews and everything that was floating around. Anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to like, remember to subscribe, man. Yeah, just subscribe, man, you know, and put the bell on so you don't miss any content. Anyway, here's the video from Holy 10's IG talking about the Winky D situation. It's all good, y'all. Until we meet again, I'm out.
It's something chatambotaura nevanhu vakawanda tataura navo. You know, you best believe tine vanhu vanopa advice. The goat. Hands don't touch the goat. Yeah, I'll come to you, the people, and I'm going to say this, I'm going to mention this. We have so much respect for all the brands that we've worked with, whether it's Young Gemini, whether it's Leo Magos, or whether it's Winky D. And the respect is just the same, and it's always going to be the same. So I have a lot of people like I was saying, tiri go album, but nezva makataura zvotinetsa kuti support publicly. Let me give you this advice for all the people that support this Holy 10 music that we're moving with. If you guys ever love me and you guys ever respect me as a legend, after 15 years of hard work, and if a young child tries to go against me, don't cancel them. Don't cancel people. You see, all our enemies, don't cancel. Don't cancel them. So I have so much respect for all the legends and all the legacy that has been created by all the artists that are out there. And I want to also apologize for the ego that the people claim that I have. The people are saying that we don't like pride. The people are saying, we want to give you your flowers. Don't give yourself the flowers. So yeah, in that regard, I would like to say, fine. My flowers and then I cannot take my flowers. And I gave myself some flowers. Maybe it was a reaction to my flowers. So this is what we're going to do. I take back the flowers and then you give me my flowers. Anyways, let's play some unreleased tracks. Andy, do you agree with the Winky D Baba Paco? Alright, let's add some people to enjoy. Let's enjoy the music. This is where I always want to keep it. Let's enjoy the music. This is entertainment. Let's do this. I'm gonna add some fans.